Hey everyone, I made it into Sam's Club. So $3.98 for a 6 count. You have pumpkin streusel muffin. I haven't tried it. I'm not really a fan of pumpkin, but let me tell you, the pumpkin brioche in Trader Joe's, you must try it with the maple butter for French toast. Super good. Okay, $4.98. You have Members Mark cinnamon rolls. Now I will tell you, their frosting does look a little bit different compared to Costco. Costco's like cinnamon frosting is like pretty thick. Right now, spaghetti by Members Mark is $4.68. You get a 6 pack, so not bad. I do wish you could find this in gluten-free in bulk. That is actually pretty hard to find gluten-free in bulk. Okay, we have white peaches for $6.78, and that is a 4 pound. Large avocados, a 5 count, $6.12. Kind of want to check out some bling in here. $3.29. I would love to be like, you know what? I'm gonna buy a ring today. Let's go to Sam's Club. Look at that one, $3.29. The emerald cut, 14 karat yellow gold, $2.19. And this one is $2.74. They brought out the chains. Okay, like $3.29. Has like a yellow tint through the cameras, the lighting in here. So this did go down in price. I really want one. It's the $89.98. Was $109, $20 off. I like this. I like how you could adjust the weight too. What is this one? The bike. More adjustable. The dumbbells. It looks like $250. But right now, you guys, I'm finding a lot of new toys. This video might just be toys because I don't really see anything too new going on in Sam's Club. I mean, these totes are $7.98. Actually, I need one. I gotta get one today. So $29.98. You have Hot Wheels monster trucks, 4 cars and 4 trucks. $16.98. They are soft body, so you know no one's gonna get hurt if they chuck it across the room. Well, the wheels are not squishy, but the car on top is. You know how that goes. The Tonka, $34.98. They're like plastic now. They're not really like metal. They are metal, but they feel really different now. $34.98. Okay, we have rainbow corns, epic, a gold egg, shimmery boo corns. I don't know, you guys. And $59.98. Oh, it's gonna light up. It's a light up balance bike. That's kind of cute that it lights up like that. Also comes in blue. The kitchen play center is $99.98. You get 16 accessories. Look at the ice maker. It's gonna pop out. Tap with water sound, light and burner sound. Hey, not bad for $100 because we know the wooden kitchens could be really pricey. That's actually a steal. $29.98 for a twin stroller. You have baby dolls that you will get 2 for $20. And of course, $20 more gadgets for their play kitchen. $25. You have the castle and pirate ship. And over here is $42.98 and $40. Now this bad boy is actually cool. It is $90, $89.98. Look at that. Let me pull one out. It's the Ford Raptor off-road suspension. Is this like remote? It doesn't even say. I know, it's kind of cool. I don't have a little man, but that is pretty cool. Oh, you know what's kind of cool? It has a camera mount. Oh, that's kind of funny. It's right here, yeah.
Look at
Camera
these big
mount.
tires.
I know. And the kick scooter is $579. Yep. Over here. Oh, no price on this boy. It's for a little kid. The BMW pogo sticks are back for $20. and $45 for the big wheel kick scooter. The keyboard Yamaha, $250. And here's another Ford Bronco. We got the Sasquatch for $50. Oh, look, it's an advent calendar. Okay, that's kind of cool for $22.98. Looks like you got holy guacamole. Oh, that is so cool. Let me see. Unbox 24 mysteries. Oh, that's really neat. That'd be a fun one, right? I like the warhead. It would be really cool if they had like actual tiny little warheads in there, or little like hard plastic Smarties. I think that'd be really neat. And you know, over here are $29.98. Series 3. No idea on what series they're on. So the Lego advent calendars are cheaper here compared to Walmart. These are $24.98, even though Sam's Club is part of Walmart. So you know, there is a price difference sometimes. Let's see. This VIP Pets, $14.81. And $200. LOL House of Surprise. Well, that's large. And Barbie is 20 on top. Now this is $269. Dragons are 15. Dino Wars, $22.98. Mix and match, these are going to be 20. And it looks like these are 24. A singing machine, $200. And look at this little kid karaoke for $30. Not bad. These are $58. The Mario and Luigi, more LOL, a present surprise, $25. 15, a 77, a 27 ounce. What do we got? We have cinnamon toffee, dark chocolate and caramel, little gift container. You only get one. And they have the festive of totes out, 15 and 77. Merry and Bright, get like popcorn and cookies. Oh gosh, the basket is out. You know, Sam's Club always brings out really nice baskets. Let's see, this one is only 40. A lemon cake, a truffles, a caramel, Martinelli's. One has like pomegranate candy. And $20, another great Christmas find, especially if you're passing out multiple gifts. Look, you get 6 in here. You get hot cocoa and marshmallows, and if you're not feeling their hot cocoa and marshmallows, you guys, you can always put your own mix in it. $9.98, a limited time only. These are like my favorite, but we don't need it. 72 rolls, $12.56. They also have tie-dye, so limited edition. These are new in my store. Doritos Simply Organic white cheddar. And then we have baked on top, and Sun Chips and Cheeto Puffs white cheddar for $3.49. $14.32. You got salt and pepper, original, barbecue, and red hot. $15.48. Deep River. You have mesquite barbecue, sea salt, and zesty jalapeno. These are seasoned for $4.98. They have the mirror for $50. It's Bluetooth ready. Vitamin C is $44.81. And the face serum is $15.81. What is down here? Olay eyes, $39.98. And $20. I feel like this would make a great gift too. I honestly would suggest to get your seasonings now, because your local grocery store, they're gonna start charging you a little more. Because I just bought pumpkin pie spice, a little tiny bottle in Walmart, and I paid a lot more. Like, look how much I get here, $4.98. But I didn't want to come to Sam's Club, so I would definitely buy that here. And nutmeg will go up to $9.88. you will get a 4-pack, 2 white grape and 2 red. What are you a fan of, red or white? So growing up, I went to daycare a lot. And we always had this, so I would dip my graham cracker in it. So good. And I do like the red. It is actually good. Look at this, Bloody Mary made with vodka. It's already made for you. Don't mistake it for V8. It's not V8. $9.98. So Capri Suns did go up. It used to be like $6.93 or something like that. Limit 3 is $7.53 now. Fiji, if you want to get fancy, you get 24 for $20.88, and of course it is a limit 3 per item. $8.98. You got variety pack. You got white chocolate, semi-sweet, snowflake chip sugar cookie. Oh gosh, you know what? This is something good to have for the holiday season and store it, which I'm going to store this in the freezer. Pepperoni pizza dip, $8.48. What does that taste like, you guys? I'm not like, I like ranch, but I don't put it on, you know, stuff like that. So let me know if you tried it. These are pretty good. These are $11.98. They have mango salsa, $5.28 with red pepper. So I'm gonna be honest, they did reach out for me to do a review on a mango salsa, you guys, and I did turn it down because I'm not like, I don't really care for fruit in salsa. Like, that's just me, and it would be like, obviously I have to fake it to make it for that. But I couldn't do it, so a lot of stuff I do turn down because I know I'm not gonna like it. This is really good though. The cilantro, $4.98, so I do recommend this one. $14.94. Look at that brownie. Then all chocolate with the white. Your large cookie is $18.98. Oh, this one has variety. It has like red velvet. Ooh, I kind of want this. It's too big. I would like to try that. Cupcakes, $13.43. And the round, ooh, really? $17.87. Alright, you guys, that is gonna do it for this video in Sam's Club. Let me see, anything new in here? Okay, nothing too new, but I believe this Christmas right here one, the Country Living. That looks amazing. Okay, there are 2 different magazines. I was wondering. They're different. I was like, okay. But I'm pretty sure they're all the same pictures, like I said. Alright, you guys, please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one. Ooh, the cookie swirl.